That clip is a clip of protestation by Eka women in Delta State rejecting their former governor, Ifeanyi Okowa, who was also the former vice presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the 2023 presidential election, rejecting his politics of defection. You know that recently Ifeanyi Okowa, together with the incumbent governor of Delta State, and all the elected officials under the platform of the PDP, defected to the ruling All Progressive Congress. And it was reported that Okowa was making a tour around his constituency to inform them about the political developments and how things have shifted from PDP to the APC, and he wanted to carry them along about the latest development. And there was a gathering of Eka women and others to remind them of the latest development, that there has been a shift, a seismic shift in the political landscape of Delta State. But these women protested. They didn't want to have anything to do with that. They were not even ready to listen to Okowa's explanations. Now, what does this teach us? It is to let us know that Nigerians should not be carried away by the wave of defections to the ruling All Progressive Congress by many politicians in the opposition parties. Many of those defections are not going to have any impact whatsoever in the outcome of the election. And what should be paramount is to ensure that the election itself is free and fair. When that is done and power is returned to the people's vote count, you will discover that the defections will not help Bola Ahmed Tinubu or anybody for that matter. It is your record that will speak for you. Don't forget that in this same Delta State, when Okowa was the running mate of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar in the 2023 presidential election, despite that they have their own son being the vice president to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi of the Labour Party beat them black and blue in Delta State, showing that the people know what to do at the right time. Now, the defections, you are defecting to a party that has inflicted so much pains on Nigerians, and you now go back to the community to tell them that that party is what is best for them. What do you expect them to do? As right-thinking members of the society who are living the reality of Tinubu's economy, you are coming to tell them that Tinubu is the way forward. They know how much they were buying a bag of rice 2 years ago. Now they are buying it 3 times the amount. And you are coming to tell them that the person who inflicted this pain on them is the best solution. And you think they will take it kindly? You think they will like it? Come and tell them that this person that is inflicting so much pain on them, inflicting hunger and starvation on them, that is the way forward. That Tinubu is our son. That is the way forward. When Buhari, who is not their son, was there, as bad as he was, the price of rice is not as bad as it is now. and you are coming to tell them that that is the way to go. What do you expect? These are women. Look at them in that crowd. Ordinary women. They are farmers. Herdsmen are terrorizing the whole of Delta State. Farmers cannot go to farm. People are killed and raped. And government is doing nothing about it. And you are telling them that that government that is doing nothing about the raping of women, killing of people in their farms, they are doing nothing about it. You are going to them to tell them that that is the way to go. That's the way forward for us. You are going to get a backlash. One of the most difficult things to market in Nigeria today is to market President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to any right-thinking member of the society. And Okowa has gotten the treatment. And it's a lesson for others. It's a lesson for even the Southeast governors. You know that recently, Dave Umahi, Minister of Works, claimed that the Southeast governors, 5 Southeast governors, that they are working in unison with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and that they are planning even a summit to declare him their preferred candidate, to endorse him. But they can endorse him as much as they want. But their endorsement is not going to be any different from the endorsement of Ifeanyi Okowa. The endorsement of governors, not only in the Southeast, the endorsement of governors in the Northwest. Northwest is being terrorized. Farmers can't go to farm. Farmers cannot go to farm in the Northwest. But the governors gathered and said that they have endorsed Tinubu for 2027. That endorsement is just by those governors. When you go and talk to the people, telling them that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who has inflicted so much hunger on them by the high cost of living, is the person they should vote for, that he is the best thing since sliced bread, you are going to get the same reaction that Okowa got from the Eka women of Delta State. That is what we're going to get. So it is a message. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should watch it very carefully, that the reaction of those women. It is what is going to happen nationwide. Nationwide. The revolt of the Nigerian people. You can see that those women, they didn't even want the man, their former governor, their former senator. They didn't want him to talk. They would have been happier if somebody take away the mic from his hand. They don't want him to say anything because they cannot be deceived by the politics of defection. Living the reality of Tinubu's management of Nigeria's economy. They are they live it every day. You can't come and tell them that things are good. You can't come and tell them that Tinubu is doing a good work. You can't come and tell them that Tinubu is building coastal highway from Lagos to Calabar. What's their business with that? The road they pass to their farms, are those roads okay? Inside their farms, are they safe? When they need drugs, can they get the drugs? Can the health centers, do they have drugs, government supplied drugs that could be given to them free? Many of those women are suffering from hypertension. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's policy has driven away many pharmaceutical giants out of Nigeria. Those drugs, their prices have more than quadrupled. The drugs to treat diabetes, to treat high blood pressure, they have quadrupled. Because those producing it in Nigeria, they have left because of Tinubu. And you are coming to tell them that Tinubu is the way forward. You are going to get that kind of treatment. That is a lesson, especially for those who think that with all this mass defection, that the election coming in 2027 is going to be a walk in the park for Tinubu. It is not so. Look at those Eka women. That is a message to the APC. And it's a message they have sent out to the whole world. Do not be deceived by politicians who are moving into the ruling party. It is we, the people, that wears the shoe, that know where the thing pitches us. It is not the politicians. They are living in another world. And I can tell you for free, if free and fair election is done by 12 noon, Tinubu will be going back to Lagos, as Erufai pointed out. There is no doubt about it. If you are in doubt, look at the Eka women. You will now know the truth. I don't know what you think about the reaction of the Eka women to Ifeanyi Okowa, as he was trying to persuade them that the political moves they have made, moving to APC, is the best thing for the senatorial district, it is the best thing for Delta State, it is the best thing for Nigeria. What is your view? What is your position? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.